Welcome back, guys. I'm Ryan, and today we are in the tech room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best GeForce RTX 5070 Ti laptops. If you want top-tier graphics without going full overkill, the RTX 5070 Ti hits that sweet spot. There are tons of options out there, though, and it can get a little overwhelming. So, I took the initiative to round up a few that actually stand out. Let's go. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So, let's get started. The fourth GeForce RTX 5070 Ti laptop on our list is the MSI Vector 16HX AI, priced at $1,999.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. This beast packs an NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti with 12 gigabytes of GDDR7 paired with Intel's Core Ultra 7 255HX. We're talking 20 cores total, AI-boosted processing, and desktop-level performance, all in a 6-pound body. Gaming performance is also pretty good. Cyberpunk with DLSS 4 and ray tracing ran buttery smooth. Frame Warp plus Reflex 2 give you lightning-fast responsiveness, great for FPS players. It's not just a gaming rig, though. This thing flies through coding, 3D rendering, and AI workloads. The integrated NPU and MSI Overboost Ultra Tech give you up to 240 watts of total power when you need it most. With specs like this, you need solid thermal performance. Thankfully, it's handled by the Cooler Boost 5 system, which features 2 large fans, up to 7 heat pipes, and a Gen 5 SSD thermal module to keep the storage cool. For connectivity, you can expect Thunderbolt 5, HDMI 2.1, 2 USB-A ports, and all the wireless bells and whistles you'd expect. The 24-zone RGB keyboard features a special translucent WASD keys that light up different from the rest. The only downside is that it's a little chunky at just under 6 pounds. However, that's forgivable considering what's inside. Our team recommends this for those who want a bang for their buck. It's the cheapest RTX 5070 Ti laptop on our list, but still delivers rock-solid performance for gaming, creative work, and even heavy AI tasks. The third GeForce RTX 5070 Ti laptop on our list is the ASUS ROG Strix G16, priced at $25,809, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Right out of the box, the performance is stellar. The AMD Ryzen 9 8940HX gives you up to 5.2 gigahertz boost with its advanced Zen 4 architecture, paired with 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM running at 5,600 megahertz and a massive 2 terabyte PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD. Load times are near instant and app switching is silky smooth. But the real star here is the RTX 5070 Ti, NVIDIA's latest AI-powered graphics card for laptops. It supports DLSS 4, full ray tracing, and Reflex 2 with Frame Warp. You can expect ultra settings at 1440p to be totally playable across most AAA games. What makes this version stand out even more is HID Evolution's tuning. They've upgraded the thermal paste on both the CPU and GPU with Gelid GC Extreme and Thermal Grizzly Conductonaut, which means better cooling, less thermal throttling, and longer sustained performance during heavy gaming or rendering sessions. The 16-inch WUXGA IPS display with a 165 Hz refresh rate is sharp and smooth, perfect for both fast-paced shooters and creative work. With a resolution of 2560 by 1600, it's right in the sweet spot, detailed enough for design and immersive enough for gaming. Physically, the Strix G16 is bold and gamer-forward, but not over the top. You get RGB, but it's tasteful. Build quality is solid and durable. At about 5.5 pounds, it's not feather light, but it's portable enough considering the power under the hood. Take note, as with most high-performance gaming laptops, battery life is not a strong suit. Expect around 4 to 5 hours of non-gaming use at best. You might get about an hour of battery life when gaming. Our team recommends this for gamers who push their systems to the limit. The upgraded cooling means less thermal throttling even during long, intense sessions. The second GeForce RTX 5070Ti laptop on our list is the Aorus Master 16, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This beast packs an Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor, clocked up to 5.4 GHz, paired with a hefty 32 gigabytes of DDR5 memory and a fast 1 terabyte Gen 4 NVMe SSD. In other words, it's ready for anything from ultra-smooth gaming to heavy multitasking and content creation. But what really makes this one stand out is its 16-inch OLED display. We're talking a crisp 2560 by 1600 resolution with a blazing 240 Hz refresh rate, perfect for ultra-smooth gameplay. Plus, it's Pantone validated, Dolby Vision certified, and VISA Display HDR True Black 500 certified, which means colors are insanely accurate and deep, perfect for creatives and gamers who want jaw-dropping visuals. Add in NVIDIA Advanced Optimus and G-Sync for smooth frame rates without tearing, and you're set. Connectivity-wise, it's stacked with the latest features. Thunderbolt 5 and Thunderbolt 4 ports, Wi-Fi 7 for super fast wireless, plus all the usual USBs, HDMI 2.1, and even a micro SD slot. Audio doesn't get ignored either. Dolby Atmos with smart Ampere and Quad 2-watt speakers promise immersive sound whether you're gaming or watching movies. Now keep in mind that OLED displays can suffer from burn-in over time if static images are left on screen for too long. Our team recommends this for those who want the best screen quality and fast, powerful hardware for work and play. The best GeForce RTX 5070Ti laptop on our list is the MSI Stealth 18HX AI, priced at $2,879.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. We've got another powerhouse from MSI, the Stealth 18HX AI. From the moment you see it, the sleek magnesium aluminum chassis in midnight black stands out. It's clean, bold, and stylish. Under the hood, it is rocking the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor. It's a pretty powerful chip by any standard, and MSI pairs it with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5070Ti laptop GPU featuring 12 gigs of the new GDDR7 VRAM. You get full support for ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, and everything else the RTX 50 series brings to the table. And if you're into multitasking or content creation, the 64 gigs of DDR5 memory and 2 terabytes of lightning-fast Gen 4 SSD storage give you more than enough muscle to keep up with demanding apps and huge files. It has an 18-inch screen with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 and a 240 Hz refresh rate. It's bright, sharp, fluid, and big. Basically everything you want in a mid to high-end gaming or creative laptop. Of course, pushing all that power creates heat, and that's where MSI's vapor chamber cooler comes in. This cooling system uses 2 fans and 4 exhausts to quietly and efficiently manage thermal output. Beyond the performance, MSI adds plenty of thoughtful touches. There's a fingerprint reader built into the chassis for secure, fast logins, and a webcam shutter that gives you physical control over your camera for extra privacy. The touchpad is 12 perfect larger than the previous model. And then there's the sound system, a 6-speaker setup from Dyn Audio. It's one of the best speaker systems you'll find in any portable machine. One thing you should know is that this laptop is not light. At around 6.4 pounds, it's definitely more of a desktop replacement than an ultra-portable. Our team recommends this for those who are ready to invest in something top of the line. And there you have it, folks, the best GeForce RTX 5070 Ti laptops. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Ryan signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.